nasa second part na tayo ng course and I am giving this primer to discuss the different changes na ginawa ko sa remaining modules of our CS165 for the year. I will present the changes in the set of topics. So instead of 6 topics, meron na lang tayong 4 topics dahil nagkaroon tayo ng parang midterm break and additional 1 week reading break. So for week 10, ito yung discussion natin about app development and discussion about complex data types. So we will have a soft deadline of November 13, 2020 for the lab exercises. And then for week 11 naman, we will discuss about big data analytics, and then we will have a soft deadline on November 20. We will have the discussion about query processing and optimization. So at this point, nakita yun siguro na nawala na yung storage management and indexing, pero I will discuss something about indexing during week 12, and then ang soft deadline natin for the lab exercise for week 12 is November 27. And then for the last topic, it's about transaction management. I also removed the topic about database architecture, and I will give readings para sa may mga time pa, extra time na magbasa. So the soft deadline will be on December 4. And then lastly, week 14 will be our second long exam. So the setup for the second long exam is very similar to our first long exam. So that is on December 9, 2020. So, ito yung deadline for the exam. Pero, the exam will be open sa week 14. So, yung next part ng discussion ko is about the remaining requirements for your grade computation. So, for the lab exercises, since we have 4 remaining weeks, we have 4 remaining lab exercises. And then we will have 1 long exam since we have 4 topics and 5 questions per week. Meron tayong a total of 20 points. And yung setup for this exam is similar to the setup that we had during our first long exam. So, close notes din yung setup for this exam. However, since I received recommendations para hindi ganun kabigat yung long exam points, I am giving short quizzes. So, meron tayong 5 points per week, and then that's a total of additional 20 points. So, meron tayong 40 points na half nun, try na nating buuin as the week goes along. And then, yung setup for the exam dito naman is an open notes type of exam. So, you can Google search, you can check your slides, you can view yung lecture while answering the exam. Pero, meron tayong time limit for the short quizzes, which is 1 hour. So, that is a total of 40 points, and that's for the remaining 50% of your lecture grade. So, I guess yun na yung kailangan ko i-discuss na big changes sa courses natin. So for this week, huwag kayong malito, although this is our 7th topic, we will call this week 10. And for the week 10 topics, I will discuss about complex data types and application development. So yun, two parts yung ating. So, see you sa next video.